Self-service refill and recharge is one of the many advantages of the Suppressor 3 compressed air foam system. You can do it yourself without incurring the time and expense of a service charge, and no special tools are required. All you need is water, foam concentrate, and a full bottle of air. This video will walk you through the steps to refill and recharge a Suppressor 3. First thing you want to do is release any pressure that may be built up in the tank. You do this by taking the hose, pointing it in a safe direction, and pressing the discharge handle. Second step is to remove the gas hose. Do this by releasing the quick release valve, opening the latch, and setting the bottle aside. Next, unscrew and remove the upper assembly. It should only be hand tightened, so it should be easy to remove. Pull it out. Next, fill the Premix tank with water. Okay, your tank is filled with water, but now you've got to make room for the concentrate you're going to add. Do that. Displace the water from the tube. Then figure out how much concentrate you're going to need and pour that amount of water out. Usually about 12 ounces when you're using a 3% solution. After you've made room for the concentrate, pour your foam concentrate in. A note: before installing the upper assembly to the premix tank, inspect to see the O-ring located near the bottom of the mixing chamber is in place and not damaged. Periodically apply a small amount of lubricant to the O-ring and replace the top assembly. When you replace the top assembly, you need to press down and feel it pop into place. And hand tighten. It's also a good idea to check that O-ring that's on that assembly first to make sure that it's good before you even try this. Once you've done that, your system is now ready to add a new air tank. Put a new air tank in. Tighten it up. Latch it. And do a quick test to make sure that everything's tight. You'll hear it pressurize, and you'll see that nothing leaks. That means you're ready to go. At your hose, put your pin back in, add a new tamper seal, and you're ready to go. If your system will be exposed to freezing conditions, you'll need to fill the tank with a freeze-protected premix rated to -40. Pouring premix solution directly into the top of the tank can be time-consuming because the solution will foam up on you. Therefore, you want to add the solution to the bottom of the tank. I recommend a tube and pump like the one shown. It's a simple siphon pump. They come in battery-operated and manual models.